Welcome to the next generation QuickBooks, the easiest way to run your entire business and get more done. Use QuickBooks everywhere you go to track your sales and expenses, accept payments, and even pay your employees. Everything you do in QuickBooks is synced between your phone, tablet, and computer, so you're always up to date. When we say you can run your entire business right from QuickBooks, we mean it. Quickly see on your homepage who's paid and who's overdue. Check your activity feed for what's happening now and what needs to happen next. Run reports for an instant business snapshot and share with your bookkeeper or accountant. You can even scan receipts so you can be ready for tax time. The next generation QuickBooks sends professional-looking invoices, personalized with your company's own unique branding. You can create an invoice in seconds when you're on the go and have your customer pay on the spot. You'll be alerted that you got paid. Your books will be automatically updated, and QuickBooks will deposit the money in the bank for you. Getting started takes less time than ordering a coffee. Just tell us a little bit about your business, and we'll customize QuickBooks for you based on other businesses like yours. Then easily connect your bank account to download and automatically categorize your transactions. No matter where you use QuickBooks, bank-level security and automatic data backups mean you'll never have to worry about losing your info. The next generation QuickBooks is a perfect fit, no matter what your passion is, because the features you need are there when you need them. It's free to get started, and we guarantee you'll love it. See for yourself why more businesses run on QuickBooks than with anyone else. This is your business on the all-new QuickBooks. Run with it.